Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple WooCommerce product list to you. Let's get started. In order to make that possible, we need to head over and edit out a page. Now I have in here this page. What you can do in this case is just click on this plus icon and then search in here for product. So search in here for that, and then you should be able to see in here this, such as this product summary, categories, and all of this right here, as well as product categories list. So you can click on this product categories list and just put it right here. As you can see, this block will display these categories, and once you head over and click on any one of them, you should be able to see in here the products that will be added on that category. Another option that you can do is just head over and add a new block. Now let's also switch in here for product. And then from in there, you should be able to see in here this products by category. Now on this one, you can see in here this products by category as well, but on list view. But this one will display a grid of your products from the selected categories that you have above. So you can also add it right here, and you can just put in here for the categories that you want. Like for example, if you want to display this particular category, you can add that, and also this one, and also this one. From in there, click on this update option in order to update the changes that you have made on this particular page. Once it's been updated, just click on this view page right here, and then you should be able to see the page that you have just created or modified. So in here, you can see this, and this is actually looks really neat right now. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like there, subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.